Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Navaris combination board. Cork, whiteboard and chalkboard, all in one part. It's possible to use this 60 to 40 centimeter, but also it's possible to get this in 70 to 50 centimeter or 90 to 60 centimeter. You can choose the size of it. We have here a magnetic Memo notice board with frame. Includes chalk, pushpins, marker and magnets. Because it's a 3-in-1 device. And it's 3-in-1 divided into the 3 parts. A cork pen board, a magnetic whiteboard, and a magnetic chalkboard. We write custom messages in chalk or marker, or we attach notes and photos using the included magnet or push pins. Because it is multifunction. This versatile write-on board can be used as a small menu board in the kitchen for taking notes in the office or as a place to doodle in the children's room. And so many stuff is includes. Combo, cork, white, black board. 4 magnets, 4 centimeter diameter. Marker, 10 push pins, 4 pieces of chalk, mounting hardware, everything is in the box. Except your tools. The whiteboards are rewritable. Not only the whiteboard, the chalkboard too. The sections are easy to wipe clean when we have a new message to write. We use a cloth or a sponge, dampened with plain water only. Detergent can affect the magnetism, okay? And it's so decorative. The possibilities to organize and decorate with this combo board are endless. The different opportunities to write, doodle, pin, and attach the items create a highly personalized display center. And this is possible wherever you like, in the kitchen, in the living room, in the office, as you like. The weight of the 60 to 40 centimeter version is 1,400 grams, and it's available in 3 sizes. Plan in style with a Navaris 3-in-1 combination corkboard, whiteboard, chalkboard with 3 different sections to choose from. We will always find the right way to get organized. A combination board in cork, whiteboard and chalkboard are in the box. 4 magnets, diameter 4 centimeters, 2 white and 2 black, 1 marker, black, 10 push pins, 1 box white chalk, 4 pieces, and 1 mounting set. We get organized with that. The perfect combination to planning our shopping list, jotting down the do's, or keeping our important notes in one place. And we can write or hang as we like. We don't have to choose, or we have to choose. We write or custom messages with chalk or marker, or we use the magnets or the pins to take up important notes and photos. And it's an all-rounder. This combo board is a real all-rounder, as it puts together a cork notice board, a dry erase magnetic whiteboard, and a classic chalkboard. That's all possible with this one device. That's really cool because you can plan, you can take notes, you can make to-dos, you can make messages, old school messages, as you like, with only one device, with the Navaris combination board here. It's a cork, a whiteboard, and a chalkboard, and this is all in one. In this case, it's 60 to 40 centimeters in dimensions. It's a magnetic Memo notice board with frame. Includes chalk, pushpins, and marker. And of course, magnets on top. And you saw it's really easy. You have to measure from right to left to the hanging joints, and then you can drill 2 holes or smash 2 nails into the wall, for example, and then you can hang it up easily. This is the Navaris combination board. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.